Dear gastro-pilgrims, have your toothpicks ready as today Pete's Pans has reached Penelles in the province of Lleida to prepare snails as always in the traditional local manner. Now all over Spain people clamour over the tender molluscs, but nowhere more so in the province of Lleida in Catalunya, where the annual snail festival attracts hundreds of thousands. And perhaps the most emblematic preparation from the region is Caracoles a la Llauna, snails cooked on a tray and served with garlic and olive oil sauce alioli. So today I find myself in the town of Penelles, where they've managed to brighten up this average sort of Catalan town in an ingenious manner, inviting artists to display their graffiti, or should I say, urban art. Some of them are quite stunning and well worth the visit. So what a backdrop for today's wonderful preparation of snails on a tray from the public barbecue in Penelles. We need snails, 1 kilogram, garlic, lemon and eggs for the aioli sauce, a ton of salt and olive oil as you'll see, and this stuff is surplus to requirements, yet it helps things along very nicely. I can't say I have much experience with snails, though luckily help is on hand from this kindly local gentleman, who I'm delighted to say was only too happy to take over. So these snails are not in fact dead as they appeared in the bag, but just need a little warmth from the sunlight or the barbecue to emerge from hibernation. I'm told to sprinkle the bottom of this snail tray liberally with salt and to lay them out, orifice upwards, so they can absorb all the tons of oil and salt that'll be thrown over them. Here we see the light membrane being poked and drawn aside, very important for successful penetration by the oil and salt. And here begins the liberal salting and oiling, which seems to carry on pretty much uninterrupted throughout the whole cooking process. Here I'm being advised to wait to cook over hot embers rather than flames, and then back to more salting. The salt has the additional benefit of preventing them all from crawling away, and produces this foam, quite normal. He's not holding back on the olive oil either.
También puedes echarlo, pero un poquito de como el aceite. I fes d'allò, sí. No, traure una mica de brases, però no.
Yo me los cojo
bueno.
O a veces papel de esto un poco mojado. Entonces,
more oil, salt and pepper.
A veces se solta un poco. También se solta con el papel, pero no tanto. Sí, yo hago caracoles, pero cada cual lo hace a su manera, pero ellos saben bien todo siempre. A mí a veces me salen un poco.
Venga, gracias.
Aquí. El aceite.
Francesc had them on the fire for 15 to 20 minutes, salting and oiling all the while. And the final step is to flambe them with brandy and cook for another minute or two.
Yo no pondría más fuego ya, ¿eh?
Quite wonderful with alioli. Back to the Hostal del Carme for instructions. Savoured at the municipal barbecue, these authentically prepared caracoles were absolutely delicious, and I could have done with another Llauna, another tray. I really could. Anyway, I'm off to discover more culinary specialities from the heart of Catalunya and beyond. Hasta pronto!